Hello and welcome. Imagine you have only one disk that contains all your macOS installation, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So follow me up. Before we start, we have to gather all the requirements. And the first requirement is to have the DMG files that you're going to be using for making the installation media. In this case, I'm going to make installation media for macOS Monterey, macOS Ventura, and macOS Sonoma. And the second requirement is to have the external hard drive or the other disk that can help you to make the installation media. In this case, I have this is my external disk drive that is called external disk. And make sure you don't have any important information on this disk because we're going to erase it unless you will lose all your data. And after that, we have to look at the list of the commands that we're going to be using. So let's start. To start, I'm going to go into my disk utility. I'm going to type disk utility. And where I am in here, I will see there will be the list of the disk that I have on my machine. In this case, I have this one. This is the internal, and we are going to focus on this external. And as we're going to be adding 3 different kind of installation media or 3 different kind of macOS, I'm going to make the partition on this disk. So I'm going to go here, and first of all, I need to erase this, and I'm going to call it one of the instructions that we're going to be making. And we make other partition out of this, and I'm going to start by calling this as Monterey. The reason why I put this short name is to be able to identify it where we are going to be performing the installation. And for the format, I'm going to choose this one, the macOS extended journal, and I'm going to click on erase. All right, and once the erase is complete, I'm going to go ahead and click on done, and I'm going to bring this up so as to be able to have a clear view. And you can see that now my disk is called Monterey, and I'm going to make other 2 partitions out of it so as to be able to have like 3 equal parts. For my disk, I have like 120 gigabytes. I'm going to make the 3 partition, each will be having like 40 gigabytes. So I'm going to go to the partition, and once I am in here, I'm going to click on add. It is going to divide in half, and once I click add again, it's going to be divided into 3 parts. So the one is called the Monterey. When you click it, you can see that there will be this Monterey. The other is called untitled, and you can go ahead and put in the title that can be identified. And I'm going to call this as Ventura, like this one. And the other one, I'm going to call this as Sonoma, because that's what we're going to be using for Sonoma. And I'm going to go ahead and click on apply, and it will prompt me to ask me if I'm ready to do this. I'm going to click on partition. All right, and now you can see that the operation is successful. I'm going to go ahead and click on done, and I'm going to close this disk utility because we no longer need it for now. I'm going to close it, and when you take a closer look here, you can see that I'm having these 3 medias or 3 partitions that are ready to be installed in the macOS on. And again, I'm going to go into my DMG files and open the folder like I'm having it on here. I'm going to click on go and go to applications. Where I am in here, I'm going to bring back my DMG files, and I'm going to open one by one, and I'll make sure I make the copy of each into this location. So I'm going to start by Monterey. I'm going to double click, and I'm going to drag it to the applications, or I can put it here. It's the same thing. So I'm going to do this, and where it is copying, I can go ahead and do the same for the other ones. I'm going to do the same for the Ventura. I'm going to bring it here, and I can do the same for Sonoma, and I'm going to drag it in here and just wait until all the copy is done. And meanwhile, I can go ahead and close everything so as to be having a clean workspace like this one. So I'm going to close these 2, and we only remain with this copy, and let's give it a minute, and it's going to be complete. All right, and once the copy is complete, I'm going to go ahead and eject all this disk because we no longer need them for now. All right, let's now the fun begin. I'm going to go ahead and go on search, and I'm going to type terminal because we're going to be doing everything in the terminal, and there's nothing fancy. It's a command that we're going to be copy and pasting and modify some of the things. I'm going to try and zoom it for a little bit so as to be able to see what's going on here, guys. So I'm going to go on my command list. I'm going to start with Sonoma. And the command that I'm going to be using is this one, and I will make sure to put this command in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to be pasting it in the terminal. I'm going to say paste, and you can see that it is going going to this location, it is going to see this Sonoma, and it is going to install on this external media. And on the volumes, where they put in MyVolume, it is the name of the volume that you're going to be putting this Monterey, this Sonoma on. So I'm going to go ahead and type Sonoma like this one, and it's going to be pointing to this exact partition. I'm going to go ahead and press enter and put in the password. Once it asks you to erase this, because it's going to be asking you to erase the volume at this location, we're going to press Y and press on return so as to be able to accept this, and it's going to start erasing the disk and adding the macOS Sonoma as we specified. So you can see that the processes are now continuing to be done here, and you can see that now it is going to start copying the files to the disk. And you can open the second terminal, and you can do the same for the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and let me try to search for the terminal again. I'm going to open the second one. I'm going to open the new terminal window like here, and I'm going to zoom in for a little bit, and I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to do the same for Ventura. So I'm going to go on the browser, and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to use this sudo, and I'm going to say copy, and I'm going to come here and paste it. And when it is recording MyVolume, I'm going to put in the Ventura like this one and press enter, and I'm going to provide the password. And where we are still waiting, you can do the same for this. The remaining one is Monterey. I'm going to open the new terminal window, so I'm going to say new window, and I'm going to do the same so as to be having it in parallel to save time. I'm going to do this. I'm going to go on the browser, and I'm going to copy this command for Monterey. So I'm going to say copy, and I'm going to paste it here, and in this case I'm going to put in Monterey like this one, and press enter. It's going to ask for the password. I'm going to provide it really quick and press enter, and we have to wait, and we'll be having 3 in parallel. So I'm going to bring all the terminal windows in here to see what is going to be going on here. So I'm going to make it like this, and we're going to be controlling each and every one on here. So let's give it a try and wait and see. All right, and after all the processes, you can see that all the installation media are available at these locations on where they tell you that they are available, and that indicates that our processes were successfully done. And now we can use only one disk, one USB drive to install a couple of macOS in our Mac devices. And whenever you're going to be performing the installation, you can only use only one disk. Let me know if you liked this video, and you can show it by pressing the like button. And if you're coming on the channel for the first time and you liked it, you can go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and make sure to check the description for the installation media commands. And you can also check the DMG files in the description, and visit our Patreon and support our channel. Stay cool, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.